you guys, so this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna clean each wheel with our Dark Fury, which is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts. If you haven't tried this product out, it's amazing. We're gonna link a video below that shows you a little bit more in detail on how to use this, but awesome product, great for wheels and bugs. Do not use on aftermarket rims. Not safe for aftermarket rims. Safe for all factory rims and anything that's like true chrome. So first we'll clean, and then what I want to show you guys is 2 different tire dressings, 4 different ways. So the first tire that we're going to do, I'll clean it, and then all I'm going to do is dress it with Coverall aerosol. Again, that product is available on the shelf at O'Reilly's. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to use that. Then what we're going to do is on this back wheel, we'll clean it with Dark Fury, and then we'll go back. And I'm actually going to put the liquid into the ketchup bottle, and I'm going to squirt it onto the applicator and then wipe the liquid down on the tire. This is a really great way to use solvent-based tire dressings because what you don't want to happen is you don't want to put it into a trigger spray bottle and spray and kind of lose control on where it's going and spray too much product onto your tire. Because yes, this stuff will fling if you put too much product on. A little goes a very long way with our tire dressings. So I really love doing it this way, and you can control it. It puts a nice even coating all over the wheel, and it just looks really good when you're done. So back here we're gonna do Coverall High Gloss liquid, and then we're gonna come over here. If you are in a VOC state and you cannot buy the liquid version of Coverall High Gloss, we have formulated California Coverall. This product is just as good. It's really great, you guys. And if you apply it this same way, where you put it in a ketchup bottle or a wax compound bottle and squirt it onto an applicator and then wipe the tire down with the product, it goes on smooth. It lasts a very long time on your tire. It provides UV protectant. It's not gonna harm or hurt your tire in any way, shape, or form. So this guy is great. It's available for purchase in any state. It is VOC compliant and really easy, great way to apply it. So we'll show you that. And then up here on this last one, we are gonna do the California Coverall in the aerosol can. So same thing, we will clean the tire with Dark Fury, and then I'll go back and we'll dress it with the aerosol California Coverall so that you guys can see how that compares to regular Coverall, and again, just how easy it is to use all of this. So without further ado, your non-pro detailer is going to get started. All right, you guys, that's it. So I did my best. I hope I didn't let anybody down. Our tire dressings are really easy to use, and this was just a different way to look at applying a solvent-based tire dressing instead of, you know, the normal putting it into a trigger sprayer and spraying the liquid onto the tire. I feel like you just get a much better finish when you wipe it onto the tire versus spraying it on. So thank you guys so much for checking this video out. Like, subscribe, follow, all of that stuff, please do. We are family owned. We are a small manufacturing facility near St. Louis, Missouri. All of our products are made in-house, and so thank you so much for supporting us. Have a great day.